Hello again from What the F Am I Doing Now? Well, let's get on with this Bing Bong Ding repair, shall we? Right, you'll need a packet, actually, for this particular size of ding, you'll need, which I've just used, 35 packets of chews. I think they call it candy. Now, I thought the best mix was cut one of these in half and a whole yellow one. So the red, half a red and a whole yellow. Chew it for approximately 1 minute. Then, if you have big thumbs, or you could use a putty knife, something like that, apply it with your thumb or your putty knife. Well, you could use anything like chewing gum, really, bubble gum, bubbaloo, but you can't use the chewing gum with the shell around it because it's really rubbish when you sand. It doesn't look good. Anyway, I hope that was very informative and stimulating. I will let you know how I get on with the Bing Bong Ding repair, and that's all for now from What the F Am I Doing Now?